Good morning, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Hello. It is Friday morning. It is Tuesday morning, the 22nd. Wow, I'm a little ahead of myself. It is Tuesday morning, the 22nd. Don't know if anybody saw the Bethlehem Star last night. Supposed to be visible tonight a little bit as well. I know that the overlooks here were packed last night. I actually had to make a trip to the store and head to Middletown for something, and the overlooks were packed. I was out in the parking lot thinking that I was looking at the Bethlehem Star, but it turns out it was not the Bethlehem Star. Aileen just joined. Maybe Aileen knows what I was looking at. But I was looking to the left of the moon. I should have been looking to the right of the moon. There was something cool to the left of the moon last night. Glowing reddish, something cool. So I saw that. So hopefully tonight we'll really get to see that again. Let's see. What is going on today? So Jamie and I, we're closed. The restaurant's closed today. And tomorrow we'll be back open on Thursday. And Friday is Christmas Day. Right, Jamie? Friday's Christmas Day?
Friday is Christmas Day.
Friday's Christmas Day. So we're doing a soup kitchen. Oh, Elaine's saying that was Mars last night. I was looking at Mars to the left. I almost did a Facebook Live last night saying, there's the Star of Bethlehem right there. Look to the left of the moon. And it's a good thing I didn't because I was wrong. So it would have been funny. I've been wrong many times before, so wouldn't be the first time that it would have been amusing. But that was not Bethlehem last night, Star of Bethlehem that I was looking at. Try again tonight. So Christmas Day, we're closed for regular dining. We are open as a soup kitchen. Been doing this since 2003. And it's an annual tradition, no questions asked meal on Christmas Day. And that's just what we do. So we did our new 99 special this week is our lobster mac and cheese. We sold over 30 lobster mac and cheeses last night. Over 30. It was insane. It was a bigger push than the ribeye. The ribeye, which was 3 weeks ago, was a massive seller. And the lobster mac and cheese already outperformed it in the first night for night. So that's really encouraging. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in and supporting us in that. Please keep in mind, if you have promotional gift cards, these are gift cards that have limitations on them. These are gift cards that we give away at a discount. These are gift cards that we do, for advertising purposes. We cannot honor promotional gift cards for our deep deals like that and for groceries. Our margins on groceries and alcohol there are far less than they are for a regularly priced dish on our menu. So those promotionals are used for regular priced menu items. I'm sorry, I'd love to give everybody those offers, but I will.
We won't be here.
I won't be here. We'll go broke. We'll literally go broke doing that. I would be better off if I just handed you $5 when you walked in the door and said, "There you go. Go spend $5 wherever you want in town for food," or because that's literally what that's like. So please, we cannot accept those. We need to have financial viability. We do amazing. We've done amazing offers in the past, and $9.99 mac and cheese is an amazing offer. I cannot take another discount on top of that. It's just common business sense. Else I won't be here, so we won't be here, and we'll be looking for a job or something. We'll be drinking a lot of wine. We're drinking a lot of wine. So Jamie just dropped the link to donate for Christmas Day. We're looking for about $2,500 in donations. I'm not sure after yesterday where we're at. I know we're still shy of that mark of the $2,500 in donations. We don't have many of our big sponsors this year like we have had in the past. When the Neville was around trying to do the casino, they would donate, $1,000 right off the bat to us every year, and that was really awesome. When our kids had brace setters would donate, I think $500 a year. Our kids don't have braces anymore, so we don't go to brace setters.
Some good donations out.
We've gotten some donations, absolutely. So there used to be some really key donations that we used to get that we haven't gotten this year. A lot of people think that we're not doing the soup kitchen. The soup kitchen is on. We're doing it. We're probably need more donations in the past because we really can't take as many volunteers, and we have to pay some of our staff and things like that. So to get stuff done. Our staff has agreed to volunteer on Christmas Day. So we're just trying to keep it to immediate family and the people that are already in our circle, which is our staff. So a lot of our staff is coming in that day to help out, so we really appreciate that. Let's see. So that link is right there to donate. Any donations are greatly, greatly appreciated. If you're watching live, by the way, drop a comment, #live. If it's on the replay, #replay. Jamie, do you have that other link I sent you?
Yes.
All right, so it's new and it is exciting. All right, so I've talked about this for the last week. It's a week-long project that we've been working on. We now have a new grocery page on our website with pictures, and it's really, really awesome. We've been working, myself and my assistant Hiver, we've been working a lot. He usually doesn't work on weekends. He's been working the last 2 weekends doing this. And so if you go to the link that Jamie is going to drop right now, you will be able to see that
Grocery list.
a grocery list, that it's a brand new, same page, new format. Give it a moment to download, because everything's embedded in there from another document, from another source. It's embedded from another source. So it'll take a minute or so. Just scroll up, scroll back, and you'll see pictures of the prosciutto that you're gonna buy, pictures of the cheese that you're gonna buy, pictures of the veggies, all that kind of stuff, actual pictures of the food that you're gonna buy embedded into that website. It's really, really cool. I've been doing a lot of work on that. So check that out. Everything is almost there. I think like 3 or 4 items are missing, which Hiver's working on those right now. Him and I just had our morning phone call to go over what needs to be done today. So he's diligently working on that. I did my part for him. So then we'll be adding a couple of, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 items will be going up. But that's pretty much our list. Then we're going to be working on a separate page for wines and spirits. Wines and spirits will be a separate page. So so that is coming soon. So check that out. Good morning, Ralph. Good morning, everybody who's tuning in. So hi, Robin. Hi, Paul. Hi, Greg. Hi, Tina. Hi, Sue. Hi, Carlos. Hi, Barbara. So good morning, everybody who's coming in, tuning in. We appreciate it. So if you can, so we're looking for more donations, of course, for our Christmas Day Soup Kitchen. So we need more donations for that. And close today, close tomorrow, close on Christmas Day because of the Soup Kitchen. Anything else, Jamie, that I'm missing?
No, I guess we'll talk about New Year's Eve next week once we get through Christmas.
Yeah, we're not sure what we're doing for New Year's Eve. It's definitely not going to be a DJ like normal and dancing. That kind of New Year's is not happening this year. We'll hope for that next year. So, but we will be open New Year's, just not sure. I'm not sure, at this point, the governor could say anything, like Pennsylvania, and all of a sudden say nobody's allowed out after 5 p.m., which is a very, 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 very real expectation, possibility, that because obviously New Year's Eve is obviously a big night for people to go out, that Cuomo might just say, you're not allowed out after 5 o'clock. So I'm not sure what's going to happen. So we're not sure what's going to happen. In any case, we do catering. You can pick food up from us. That is easy to do. Whether you need wings, whether you need whatever's on our menu, absolutely. Platters of things, we can totally do that. So check out our website, check out our menu. That's super easy for us to do. Paul's saying not loading from iPhone Facebook app. Huh. Greg says his house is open after 5. That's good to know. Greg, just drop your address for everybody. Greg, is it dancing all night, Greg? Greg has good cheese and sopressata, some Bordeaux wine up there, and sometimes he has good whiskey. He has a nice stereo system where he doesn't really have many neighbors, so you can run around the yard. Post some pictures, Greg. Post some pictures. After 5, post your address. So everybody can join us at Greg's house. So Greg, what time is everybody welcome till? the normal 3 o'clock in the morning, 3:30 in the morning thing. So, they're good friends of ours, and we've been known to go up there and dance the night away. So, a lot of fun up there. All right, folks, that's it. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Greg says, "Bring bread, bring bread." Okay.
Stay tuned for our Wine Time Live later.
Wine Time Live later, yes. Jamie and I have been super busy, especially me, super busy on the Airbnb that opens on our first guest coming this Saturday. First guests come check in this Saturday, and it's been just a whirlwind of everything, construction, just getting everything together. So once that is once that's up and set and running, we'll do more videos from up there, and it's a beautiful kitchen up there. I can do some cooking demos up there. So really a lot of possibilities that we're going to be doing up there. Michael's saying, Michael Davidson, hey guys, any Black Fig fans? I'm doing a holiday cocktail Facebook Live tonight at 6:30. That's great to know. Black Infusions, who makes Michael? Michael does the fig vodka, the apricot vodka. Really awesome stuff. Real vodka infused with figs. That's what the color is from. It's not from caramel coloring, like a lot of brands like to put caramel coloring in. So very.
As of Friday, we will have.
Oh yeah.
Mad Hatton.
As of Friday, this will be filled with. It'll be filled with black fig vodka. Local rum from Vermont and Luxardo cherry. It's called Jamie's Little Twist. It's called the Mad Hatton because Mad River. Black fig vodka, the Mad Hatton. That'll be available starting what day?
It comes in Friday because we're getting everything today.
Everything comes today, so yeah. So of course it'll be available Friday, but Friday's Christmas Day. Thursday. Jamie's saying Thursday. It'll be in. So the Mad Hatton will be ready to go on Thursday. Really cool. And we also have these pouches. Michael sent us. Michael's a great guy, by the way. If you have not tried his fig vodka, it is a must try. Total must try.
We're getting a case in today, so you can grab one for the holidays.
Yep, you can grab one for the holidays. Jamie can gift wrap it for you. We've been making tons. Jamie's been making tons of gift baskets.
Have a lot going on
An insane amount of gift baskets. So we have a lot more local cheese coming today, more charcuterie coming today to put into the baskets. We can put other food in. We can put tadals from Italy. We can put all kinds of things. We can put local biscotti, vinegars. We can put a bunch of things in these gift baskets. Jamie's having a lot of fun doing these. So, and if you don't want the whole basket, you can literally just get one bottle wrapped. All right, so you can literally get one bottle wrapped. Lots of local stuff. There's a bottle of Prosecco from our friends at Fantanel.
Pick it up for the holidays. Take
Yep.
it to a friend.
So anything here can get gift wrapped. Anything on these shelves can get gift wrapped, add food to it, all kinds of things. So 647-3000. We'll answer the phones right now if you call right now. So.
And I will custom make baskets for you. So you
Yep.
tell me what you want. You tell me what you want in your basket, and I will custom make it for you.
Cool. So, open for grocery items staying tomorrow? Yeah.
We are around.
We're around.
So if you would like to stop by, give us a call. We'll make sure we're here. I know I have to be here tonight around 6 o'clock. I have a couple of people picking up baskets. I wasn't planning on being here at that time, but I've changed my schedule around. So if you would like to pick up groceries, just give me a call, send me an email, info@aromatimebistro.com with your grocery items, and I will tell you what is a good time to pick it up. So I know I have some people coming in at 3:30 today, so go ahead and send me a message tomorrow. I'm pretty much here all day.
Great. So that's the story with that. Yes. Halibut. People want halibut like crazy. I mean, it's for some reason, it's halibut like the Christmas fish, the holiday fish, because we haven't sold halibut in 2 weeks, and all of a sudden, everybody wants halibut now. So, and halibut is actually out from both of our suppliers who stock halibut are out of the halibut, Pacific halibut, the wild Alaskan halibut, frozen portions. It'll be back next month. I would recommend, as a substitute, sablefish. Sablefish is a fantastic supplement. In fact, I like sablefish better than halibut.
That'll be in on Thursday.
And Thursday, maybe Wednesday.
Maybe. We have mahi-mahi, though.
Mahi-mahi, salmon,
Tuna,
scallops, shrimp,
scallops,
calamari, and even octopus. We have these beautiful frozen octopus from Spain that I should put on the list as well. These are what we use on our menu. We're bringing octopus and putting it back on our menu. So I just bought a whole case of octopus in. So if anybody who loves octopus, it's probably $9.99 a pound, and it is very, very high quality Spanish octopus. So yeah, all right, folks, that's it. Got to get going, and talk to everybody later. Have an amazing day, and thanks everybody for tuning in. Hi, Cheryl. Cheryl just dropped a comment. Hi, Cheryl. Hope all is well. Cheryl, drop a link to your crystals. Cheryl's doing all these beautiful, beautiful crystals that she keeps posting. Really amazing stuff there. Everybody's looking to enhance their collection. I think Cheryl can probably cover you for that. There's some beautiful pieces that she's posted the last few weeks, couple of weeks. So, all right, folks, that's it. Got to get going. Talk to everybody later.